Have you ever felt sluggish, bloated, or just not at your best? It could be that your body is holding on to toxins and needs a good cleanse. And guess what? You're not alone. Everyone has those moments when they wish they could hit a reset button and feel refreshed and rejuvenated. But what if I told you there's a simple and delicious way to do that, right from your kitchen? Today, we're diving into the world of detox drinks, those magic elixirs that can help cleanse your body, boost your metabolism, and jumpstart your weight loss journey. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have 8 powerful detox drink recipes that can transform your health and have you feeling your absolute best. Ready to sip your way to a healthier you? Let's get started. Number 1. What are detox drinks? Before we jump into the recipes, let's talk about what detox drinks are and why they're so effective. Detox drinks are beverages that are packed with ingredients known to help flush out toxins from your body. They often contain a mix of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices that work together to boost your metabolism, improve digestion, and promote fat loss. The best part? These drinks are not just healthy, they're incredibly refreshing and delicious too. Think of them as a natural and tasty way to support your body's detoxification process. Number 2. Benefits of detox drinks. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are the benefits of these detox drinks? Well, there are plenty. First and foremost, they help cleanse your liver, which is your body's main detoxifying organ. A well-functioning liver can significantly improve your overall health and energy levels. Secondly, detox drinks are great for boosting metabolism. A faster metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently, which can help with the weight loss. These drinks are also fantastic for improving digestion, reducing bloating, and enhancing your skin's appearance. And let's not forget the hydration factor. Staying hydrated is key to overall health and can even help curb cravings. So, with all these benefits, who wouldn't want to incorporate detox drinks into their daily routine? Number 3. The power of ingredients. The magic behind detox drinks lies in their ingredients. Each ingredient has unique properties that contribute to the cleansing process. For example, lemon is a powerful detoxifier with a high vitamin C content that helps flush out toxins. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that improve digestion and boost metabolism. Cucumber is incredibly hydrating and great for skin health, while mint aids in digestion and adds a refreshing taste. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The combination of these ingredients can create a synergistic effect that amplifies the detox benefits. Ready to learn about these powerful elixirs? Let's dive into the recipes. Recipe number 1. Lemon Ginger Detox Water. Let's start with a classic, Lemon Ginger Detox Water. This drink is incredibly simple to make and highly effective. Lemon juice helps to alkalize the body and flush out toxins, while ginger boosts metabolism and improves digestion. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, juice of 1 lemon, 2 inches of fresh ginger, sliced. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a large pitcher and let it sit for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to infuse. Sip throughout the day for a refreshing and detoxifying experience. Recipe number 2. Green tea and lemon. Next up is green tea and lemon. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which help boost metabolism and burn fat. Adding lemon not only enhances the flavor, but also increases the absorption of antioxidants. Ingredients: 1 cup of hot water, 1 green tea bag, juice of half a lemon. Instructions: brew the green tea, add the lemon juice, and enjoy it warm. For a cold version, let it cool and pour it over ice. Recipe number 3. Apple Cider Vinegar Drink. This one's a bit of a powerhouse. Apple Cider Vinegar Drink. Apple cider vinegar is known for its ability to aid digestion, improve metabolism, and promote weight loss. Just make sure to dilute it, as it's quite potent on its own. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, a dash of cinnamon. Instructions: mix all the ingredients well and drink it before meals to help control appetite and enhance digestion. Recipe number 4. Cucumber Mint Detox Water. Now, let's cool things down a bit with Cucumber Mint Detox Water. This drink is perfect for hydration and has a soothing effect on the digestive system. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 1 cucumber, sliced, a handful of fresh mint leaves. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a pitcher, let it sit for a couple of hours, and enjoy it cold. It's incredibly refreshing, especially on a hot day. Recipe number 5. Pineapple and cucumber juice. How about a tropical twist with pineapple and cucumber juice? Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps with digestion, while cucumber adds hydration and freshness. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, 1 cucumber, sliced, 1/2 cup of water. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth, strain if desired, and enjoy a delicious detoxifying drink that tastes like a vacation in a glass. Recipe number 6. Beetroot and carrot juice. For a drink that's as nutritious as it is vibrant, try beetroot and carrot juice. Beets are great for liver detox, and carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which is good for your skin and overall health. Ingredients: 1 beetroot, peeled and chopped. 2 carrots, peeled and chopped. 1 apple for sweetness. 1/2 cup of water. Instructions: blend everything together. Strain if you prefer a smoother texture, and drink up. This juice is not just good for detoxing, but also great for boosting your immune system. Recipe number 7, Berry Detox Smoothie. Time for something a bit more indulgent. A berry detox smoothie. Berries are rich in antioxidants, and this smoothie is packed with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you full longer. Ingredients: 1.2 cup of mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, 1 nash, 2 banana, 1 cup of almond milk or water, a handful of spinach for extra nutrients. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is perfect for breakfast or a midday snack. Recipe number 8, turmeric golden milk. Last but not least, let's talk about turmeric golden milk. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and helps in detoxification. This drink is also incredibly soothing and perfect for winding down after a long day. Ingredients: 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, enhances turmeric absorption, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Instructions: heat the milk, add turmeric, pepper, and honey. Stir well and enjoy it warm. It's a comforting drink that not only helps detox, but also aids in relaxation and better sleep. And there you have it, 8 delicious and powerful detox drinks that can help cleanse your body and boost your weight loss journey. Remember, detoxing doesn't have to be complicated or bland. With these recipes, you can enjoy a variety of flavors while giving your body the support it needs to feel its best. So, why not give them a try and see how you feel? Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And don't forget to share with your friends who might need a little detox boost. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments which detox drink you're most excited to try. And if you have any favorite recipes of your own, we'd love to hear from you.